Hi, welcome back to another video. Umikk have very kindly sent another gel polish set. So this one is the slightly larger one of 21 colours, and you also get a base, a top and a matte top coat in this. They always come very well packaged. So here is Umikk's detail, so you can go and have a look. Go and have a nosy, and you obviously get your little booklet with your instructions and how you remove their gel polish, and it comes in many other languages. Okay, so like I say, as normal, they are very well packaged. So you won't get any spillages, etc. That back in that box. A moment. Ooh, we got glitters in this one. I will take the rest out off camera quickly. Okay, I have pulled all of those out. The base, matte and no wipe top gel are 10ml bottles. So they're all 10 mils. Put those to the side, and then we've got all these colours, look. So, shall we get swatching?
Oh, where have I been? Stupid silence. You've been standing right there all along, even though it's been unspoken so long. I'm only waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. You know I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? You want it for us, even though you don't wanna say it. You've been saying it softly, with no words. You whisper with your eyes. I'm waiting for you, just waiting for you to give it enough. No, I'm begging for you, just waiting for you to show me your love, baby. Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. So upset, I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign, I don't want you going away. I've been waiting for a sign, wanna make you part of mine. I've been waiting for a sign. Don't you feel the same? Don't you feel the same? 'Cause I wanna be certain we don't have to be lonely, we don't have to be hurting. 'Cause I'm feeling like you and I are perfect. I don't wanna be sorry, I don't wanna think every night about how we've been so blind. Some say I've waited till it's too late. No rest for lovers who are undetermined. I just wanna be certain, I don't wanna waste all our time wondering if we're right. I'm waiting for a sign.
Okie dokie. Right, they have had excuse me, a single coat and have been matte top coated, and well, it's half matte, half shiny. So I thought I would show you both. As you can see, it's a really nice set. I love that you've got the brights in there as well as some darker colours and lots of actually, shall I put, let's get a piece of paper because I haven't got any card with me at the moment, so you can see the glitter ones. So the good thing is you've got a small glitter in pink and blue, then you've got a red that end, and then you've got a lovely purple which has got small and slightly larger pieces in, and the same with the pink one, green, and a holographic one on the end. My camera does not do them justice at all. They're such pretty colours. They are. And obviously the larger sets come with 5ml bottles and the 10ml base glossy top and matte top. But the good thing is about this is you only need one coat to make them opaque, so I really like them. Okay, this is the set that I've got. As you can see, it's £19.99 at the moment, so I will leave a link down below to this set, but there is lots of others. As you can see in this collection, there is 6, so there's 6 different packs you can get. What I've got the 21 colours in, and the base glossy top and the matte top. But I will leave a link to this one down below, pinned in the description box, and I will go and take some photos. I will, but they're a gorgeous set, so I think they will be good for summer and winter colours because you've just got a range of stuff. Of course, you could actually put some of those glitters over the top of something else. Give it a little bit of a difference. So, yeah, I'm going to go and take a photo. Thank you, Umikk, for sending these for me to swatch and have a play with. I'm sure we're going to be using them in some sets, so yes, I love them. I just love everything about them. You know, glass bottles, they look really nice on the shelf. They do. I'll take a picture and I'll leave a picture up if I say I'll remember. I will try to remember. I'm going to take a picture once they're up on my shelf and I'll show you what they look like on the shelf because they look really smart. Right, so thank you, Umikk, anyway, again for sending these. It's really kind of you. I'm very happy to swatch and show you guys, etc. And I'm going to go and take some photos. I am. So thank you once again, Umikk, and if you wouldn't mind leaving me a thumbs up, guys, that would be super duper. And subscribing if you've not already subscribed. Just let me know if you need me to subscribe back to you. Just give me a nudge down below and then I will. Okay, and tick the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.